All right, later today, Jennifer and James Crumley will face sentencing, becoming the first parents in U.S. history to be criminally held responsible for a mass shooting committed by their child. The couple faces up to 15 years in prison in the groundbreaking conviction. Criminal defense attorney Jonna Spilbor joins us right now. Jonna, what do you think is going to happen? Because, you know, this is the first time we've seen anything like this.
Oh, yeah. This case has presented one legal surprise after another, beginning with the most obvious, and that being that these parents were actually charged to begin with killing 4 human beings when they actually had nothing to do with the killing.
Right. What
will happen today? Nothing will surprise me, but they're facing up to 15 years per victim. And I think what a judge should do today is give them time served. That's what the defense attorneys are each asking for. Why do I say that? They have been behind bars since they were arrested. They were unable to post bail. I think the message has been sent, Steve. I mean, this case is one that's never happened before. You know it's going to be appealed. They've already spent over 2 years behind bars.
Right.
You know, is that sufficient time in a case that's unprecedented? I would say yes. But again, this case has been nothing but one surprise after another.
All right. We will have the coverage live here on Fox later today. Meanwhile, got to talk a little bit about this. Morgan Wallen, one of the biggest stars in country music, was arrested because he was on the 6th floor of a joint in, and that's his mugshot right there. He was at Chief's Bar on the 6th floor, and he threw a chair out the window, and it landed 3 feet from a couple of cops.
Yeah. Pour another drink, Morgan Wallen, because I suspect that he had a few before he decided to hurl a chair off a 6-story building. Now, here's the thing. I have to feel a little sorry for him because he has been charged with felony reckless endangerment as opposed to misdemeanor reckless endangerment. And the reason for that is they elevated it because he used a, quote, deadly weapon, the deadly weapon being the chair. What I do expect, though, is that these charges will be reduced, and maybe Morgan Wallen is going to have to do some sort of alcohol counseling, community service. I don't think he's going to see the inside of a jail cell, but hey, you never know.
Yeah, well, I tell you what, as it turns out, I think it was that bar's grand opening. So everybody in the country is talking about Chief's Bar. I've never heard about that. Unfortunately, this is the kind of notoriety that you would not think would be good for the country star.
Yeah, I agree. Look, somebody could have gotten seriously hurt. A chair is a deadly weapon when it jettisons 60 feet down to the street below. Not a good look for anybody. And he shouldn't get away scot-free because of that. But like I said, they won't throw the book at this guy under these circumstances, I would bet.
They won't throw the book after he threw the chair. Let's see what happens. Jonna, thank you very much for joining us live.
Thanks, Steve.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.